I have a lot of things to do today. I made a specific agenda for this weekend because it was quite busy. Like yesterday, I didn't have time to be creative, and I have 2 deadlines this weekend. One from my design team for the Kid Club, DLS design, and the other one is finishing my example for the DLS event. So I made a plan in my agenda. Here you can see. And yeah, as you can see, Friday didn't work out as I wanted to, I planned to. I am currently doing the subtitles for my design team movie video. So I will finish that first, and after that I will go on to the Sunday and I will work on my event examples. So I have a lot to do today, but we can manage. I've been creating all afternoon. It is now almost 8:30. Well, all afternoon, actually all day, to finish my project. And it was a secret project, so I wasn't able to film it. You just saw me clean my desk, and now I created. But next step of creating is that I have to put it on my computer. You won't be able to see it because it's still for my secret project, but I thought it was nice to show you that when you're in a design team and making examples, working for a store, and even just doing YouTube, um, a lot of work goes into the computer. It's not just creating, it's not just sitting behind your desk and working with your hands and gluing stuff down and making beautiful examples. A big part of it actually is working behind your computer, editing, taking pictures of your work, and yeah, filming it, editing the film, and yeah, everything like that. Today I didn't make a video, but I had to make a step by step. So I did my work, I took my pictures, and now I have to make the actual step by step. So that's what I'm gonna do. As you may know, I am moderator from 2 Facebook groups by DLS Design with 2 other people. And every week we post, on Monday, we post a new challenge. And we have a whole schedule for who's posting what, who's doing a live video when, and in what group. And when I was on my way to work today, I realized that it was my turn to do, to put the challenge online, the sketch challenge. Yesterday, I realized that I had to do it, but I was so busy with my deadlines that I forgot. I totally forgot. This morning I had some time, but it didn't come up in my mind. So I was on my way, I realized, and I was like, okay, I have to do it when I got home. So I came home about an hour ago. I just had some dinner and I am gonna make the sketch challenge because I don't have any prepared yet. I was busy. So I will take you with me a little bit to show you how I am making the sketch challenges. It's not very fancy. I just use the Paint XL Lite, it's Paint for MacBook, on my Mac, and I make sure, wait, I'm in the wrong one. I need that one. Yes, no, it was good. It has been a month ago since I made the last one. So, yeah. I am going to my thing. I have one. I have to make it a little bit smaller so you can see it and I can work with it. I have one I always use as a base. So now it's clear and I can start making the sketch, but I don't have any idea yet. It has been 4 weeks yesterday since I went to the IKEA and bought some Alex drawers. I bought 2 and I have to confess, they're still not put together. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna try. It's like, I don't know, 9:30 I think in the morning, maybe 10. And I have to work at 1. So we're gonna try to at least put 1 together. I hope so. Spider! Ah! Okay, I went in with my hands and I found a spider. Cookie, help me! Cookie's my cat, by the way, if you didn't know that yet. But it crawled back in the box, so I know I will see it somewhere. Wait. I will be prepared. Bye.
got it. It was quite big. Now I electrocuted it, and now it doesn't look that big anymore, but ah.
Yay, the first one is done. Check. Okay, I will take a break. I'm not gonna make the other one right now. I have to work this afternoon as well, and I had some ideas I wanted to put on paper, so that's what I'm gonna do next. But this one is done.